Hello student, I am Pramod sir, your maths teacher. Welcome to everybody today's online class. Student, today I am going to start your new chapter, that is the decimal. Decimal is the chapter number 8, and today we take your introduction class about the decimal. So, student, firstly we need to know what is the decimal. What is the decimal number? What is the decimal number? So, student, you have here two words. First is decimal number, and second is decimal fraction. I hope that you have learned, you have here two words, decimal numbers and decimal fractions. So student, we explain both terms here. Means, what is the decimal number and what is the decimal fraction? Student, I am writing the definition of the decimal number here. Decimal number stands for a number whose whole number part and decimal part and fractional part is separated by the decimal point is called decimal number. Student, this is the definition of the decimal number. It means, I am revising here, a number whose whole number part and fractional part is separated by the decimal point, is called decimal number. As example, student, you have seen this number 236.275. Suppose that this is a number and you have seen this type number in your book. This is a decimal number. It is called decimal number, student. So, according to your definition, fit your definition here, student. A number whose whole number part, this is the whole number part, student. That number which we write before the decimal point. This is the decimal point, student. By the decimal point, we can separate the whole number part and decimal part and fractional part of the decimal number. So, student, this is the whole number part and this is the fractional part. That number which we write after the decimal point is called the fractional part, and that number which we write before the decimal point is called the whole number part. So, student, a number whose whole number part and the fractional part is separated by the decimal point, देखिए आप, by this point we are separating the whole number part and fractional part also. So, student, this is called decimal number. इसको डेसिमल नंबर बोलते हैं. I hope student you have understood about the decimal number. So come to the next topic, that is the decimal fraction, student. Sometimes question is asking you what is the decimal fraction? What is the decimal fraction? Student, decimal number origin by the decimal fraction. And if we need to define the decimal fraction, then we can say that fraction with denominators 10, 100, 1000, etc. 1000 is called decimal fraction. Decimal fraction. This is the definition of the decimal fraction, student. Fractions with denominators 10, 100, 1000. You can say this type number is 10 type number, student. It means 10, 10, 100, 1000. And you can write 10,000 also, 1 lakh also, 10 lakh also. So fraction with denominators 10, 100, 1000, etc. are called decimal fraction. It means all that fraction whose denominators are 10 type number, means 1 and after 1 if we write the 0, then that is called 10 type number. Like student, 2 upon 10, 3 upon 100, 4 upon 1000. This is called decimal fraction. Why, student? Why this is called decimal fraction? Because all these 3 numbers written in fraction form में write है, because 2 is numerator and 10 is denominator, 3 is numerator and 100 is denominator, 4 is numerator and 1000 is denominator. So a student, and you are seeing here that denominator of all these 3 fractions are 10 type number, means 10, 100, 1000. The denominator may be 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore, 10 crore, like this. So all these fractions are called decimal fractions. So student, I hope you have understood about the decimal number and decimal fraction. Decimal number origin with decimal fraction. Decimal fraction से ही decimal number होता है, बनता है. We can write 2 upon 10 like this in decimal number 0.2. Look here student, both are equal, but this is decimal fraction and this is decimal number. But what is the difference in definition of both? I have written here. You can see. So student, this is the whole number part and this is the fractional part. 2 upon 10 is written 0.2. So student, I hope you have understood the decimal number and decimal fraction. So student, come to the next topic. place value table. Student, next topic is place value table. Place value table. Student, suppose that I have written a decimal number here. 236.274. This is a decimal number. And you know, student, that number which we write before the decimal point is called whole number part. Whole number part. And that number which we write after the decimal point is called the decimal part. Decimal part or fractional part. This thing is clear? So, student, if we ask you find the place of the whole number part digits, अगर whole number part के नंबर में जो digit हैं, if we ask you write the place, decide the place, then in whole number you decide the place right to left. Place तो आप right to left बताते हैं. It means 6 is in the ones place, O for ones, and 3 is in the tens place, tens, T for tens, and 2 is in the hundreds place. Hundreds place, you know very well this. And if we ask you what is this is the place, but if we ask you what is the place value of 6, 3 and 2 in whole number, in this whole number, so you can easily tell, you can easily write 6 ka place value, student, 6 is in the ones place, 1 means 1, tens means 10, and 100 is 10, 100, similarly 1000, इसी तरीके से 1000 भी होगा, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So the place value of 6 is 6 into 1 is equal to 6, and place value of 3, firstly we write the 3. We are telling you how to find the place value of all digits which are given in the whole number part. So 3 into 10 is equal to 30. Why I am multiply by 10 in 3? Because 3 is in the tens place. 3 tens place पर है, इसलिए मैं 10 से multiply कर रहा हूँ. And what is the place value of 2, student? 2 into 100 is equal to 200. This is the place value of 6, 3 and 2. So, student, you are seeing here that when we move right to left, in whole number part, the number increase 10 times. 10 times. Look here, this is 1, and when we move 1 to 10, we get 10, and 10 is 10 times of 1. And when we move from 10 to 100 place, it means into 10. 10 times, then into 10. 100, you get 100. It means you can say that when we move right to left in whole number part, the number increase 10 times. In value, the numbers increase 10 times. So, स्टूडेंट दिस इज अबाउट द होल नंबर पार्ट, ये तो होल नंबर के बारे में था. नाउ वी लर्न अबाउट द decimal part or fractional part, student. So student, this is the fractional part, this is the decimal part, and all work will be opposite of the whole number part. इसमें जितना भी वर्क आप करेंगे all will be opposite of the whole number. It means if we ask you decide the place first, पहला वर्क तो मेरा होगा प्लेस को डिसाइड करना, डिसाइड द प्लेस ऑफ द फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट. सो स्टूडेंट इन होल नंबर पार्ट यू डिसाइड द प्लेस राइट टू लेफ्ट व्हेन यू मूव राइट टू लेफ्ट, बट इन डेसिमल पार्ट वी डिसाइड द प्लेस लेफ्ट टू राइट ऑलवेज. हम जब भी प्लेस डिसाइड करते हैं डेसिमल पार्ट का लेफ्ट टू राइट मूव करके करते हैं, नॉट राइट टू लेफ्ट. राइट टू लेफ्ट हम कभी मूव डिसाइड नहीं करते प्लेस को. सो स्टूडेंट फर्स्ट डिजिट विच कम्स आफ्टर द डेसिमल पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड टेंथ्स, इज कॉल्ड टेंथ्स, टेंथ्स, TENTHS, टेंथ्स, टेंथ्स प्लेस. एंड 7 is hundredths place, hundredths place, and 4 is thousands place, thousands place. It means you can say 2 is in the tenths place, 7 is in the hundredths place, and 4 is in the thousands place. THS आपको ऐड करना है, 1000 राइट करेंगे और उसमें THS ऐड कर देंगे, 100 राइट करेंगे THS ऐड कर देंगे, दैट इज hundredths. एंड 10th राइट कर 10 राइट करेंगे और उसमें THS आप ऐड कर देंगे, दैट इज tenths. It means you are seeing here that student in whole number part you start from ones, but in fractional part, in decimal part we start from tenths, from tenths. हम tenth से स्टार्ट करते हैं. Here ones is absent, so decimal part we start to read from tenths. हम tenth से स्टार्ट करते हैं पढ़ना, tenths, hundredths and then thousands, and till to 3 digit of the decimal point. From decimal point we need to study in class 6 student. We not need to study about till to 4th place or 5th place after the decimal point. decimal point के 4 या 5th place तक हमें स्टडी नहीं करना है in class 6. So student, now you have decided the place name of the fractional part. Now we find out the place value of the digits which comes in fractional part. अब हम place value बताएंगे कि place value क्या होगा. What is the place value of 2? What is the place value of 7? What is the place value of 4? So student, 2 is comes in 10th place, so the place value of 2 is 2 tenths. It means 2 tenths is written as 2 upon 10, 2 upon 10, and 7 hundredths, hundredths place, this is in the hundredths place, so this is called 7 hundredths, and 7 hundredths is written as 7 upon 100. 4 thousandths, and 4 thousandths is written as 4 upon 1000 student, 4 upon 1000. This is the place value of the 2, 7 and 4. So Student, this is the fraction you are seeing here, and this fraction has the denominator 10 type number, means 10, 100 and 1000 also. So this is the place value and this is the place of the fractional part, of the decimal part. So student, I hope you have understood this, and when we need to express this number in place value table, then we can easily make the place value table here like this, student. And you know, a decimal number has two parts only. I have told you already. Decimal number has two parts only. First part is whole number part and second part is decimal part or fractional part. So we divide this table in two parts. First is whole number part, and second is decimal part. In this way, you will make the table and find the place value or place you can decide by this table. So, and you can say, student, whole number part has many digits. Whole number part made by the many digits. So, we can divide this part in many parts as required, student. Suppose that I am dividing here only three parts, that is ones, tens and 100. And you can further make the table like 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh, etc. And decimal part made by the many digits 274. So we divide the decimal part table in three parts also. That is the tens, student. This is not 10, only tens, TENTHS, tens, hundreds and thousands, DTHS, thousands. Now student, fill all digits in this table like this. अब देखिए 236, 200, the number is 236.274. Now student, firstly fill the whole number part. Whole number part is whole number 236 and 6 is in the ones place. So we put the 6 in below the ones, that is the 6, and 3 we put the below tens, and 2 is 100, so we write 2 below the 100 place. Look here, and 274, 2 is the 10th place, so we write below the tens, and 7 will be the 100th place, so we write 7 below the 100th place. 7 and 4 belongs to the thousands place, so we write 4 below the thousands place. So student, in this way, if any number is given and you need to make the place value table and write the numbers in place value table, so you can make table and write the number easily. So student, one thing more you need to understand here, it means student, first digit after the decimal point is called the 10th place, and second digit after the decimal point is called 100th place, and third digit after the decimal point is called the thousands place. So student, one thing more we want to tell you about the zero, student. So student, I hope you have understood this concept. So now जीरो के बारे में कुछ बात मैं आपको बता रहा हूं. When we write the zero after the digit or after number or before the digit या before the number, what will we change numbers in value? अगर सपोज दैट मैंने 2 राइट किया स्टूडेंट, जीरो, मैं जीरो के बारे में आपको बता रहा हूं कि जीरो को, अगर जीरो को इफ वी राइट जीरो आफ्टर एनी नंबर और बिफोर एनी नंबर, व्हाट विल बी चेंज इन वैल्यू ऑफ दैट नंबर? तो वैल्यू में क्या चेंज होगा उसके? अगर मैं किसी नंबर के पहले जीरो राइट कर दूं, किसी नंबर के बाद में जीरो राइट करूं, तो उसका वैल्यू, उसके वैल्यू में क्या डिफरेंस होगा, क्या अंतर पड़ेगा उसके वैल्यू में? सो स्टूडेंट, आई एम टेकिंग एज एग्जांपल, सपोज दैट आई एम टेकिंग हियर 2 एंड स्टूडेंट, व्हेन वी राइट जीरो after 2 is a whole number, and when we write the zero after the 2, look here student, ये देखिए, मैंने जब 2 के बाद में जीरो राइट किया तो 2 क्या हो गया स्टूडेंट? 20. 2 has changed in value 20. वैल्यू में क्या चेंज हो गया? 20 हो गया. बट इफ वी राइट वी राइट जीरो बिफोर द 2, अगर मैं 2 के पहले जीरो राइट करूं लाइक दिस, देन इट मींस दिस इज 2. ये 2 ही है, वैल्यू इज नॉट चेंज हियर, वैल्यू यहां चेंज नहीं हुआ. इट मीन्स यू कैन से इन ओनली इन होल नंबर स्टूडेंट, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द होल नंबर, नॉट फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट, नॉट डेसिमल नंबर. मैं फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट की बात नहीं कर रहा हूं, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द होल नंबर पार्ट इन डेसिमल नंबर. डेसिमल नंबर में होल नंबर का पार्ट जो है उसके लिए मैं बता रहा हूं. अगर उसके बाद आप जीरो बढ़ाते हैं तो उसका वैल्यू इंक्रीज होता है. But if we write before zero, the value will not be changed. Value change नहीं होगा, value will be same. दोनों का सेम है. This is 2 and this is 2. Now we are taking the fractional part. Fractional number लेते हैं स्टूडेंट. Suppose that 0.2. Look here student. 0.2. If we write the 0, what will be changed in value? If we write the 0 after the 2, it means 0.20. Student, what can you say that the value is changed? No student, no, here value is not changed. This is also 0.2. ये 0.2 ही है, ये 0.2 ही है. We read it 0.2. हम इसको रीड क्या करेंगे? 0.2 ही रीड करेंगे, 0.2 रीड करेंगे, 0.2. If you want to say the 0, then you can say that 0.20. 0 means nothing. It means you can say that if we write as many zero after the decimal point, then the value will not be changed. It means अगर मैं फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट में किसी डिजिट के बाद जीरो राइट करता हूं तो उसका वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होता है. एंड इन अदर वर्ड यू कैन से दैट in fractional part, if in the last, in the right, in last, if we write as many zero, the value will not be changed. जीरो जीरो जीरो, जितना मर्जी हो उतना जीरो आप राइट करो, द वैल्यू विल नॉट बी चेंज. द वैल्यू इज 0.2. बट स्टूडेंट, opposite this, if we write the zero to the left side of the fractional part, the value will be changed or not? I'm doing here 0.2. Same example I am taking here, and student this is 0.2 and 0. अब मैं 2 के पहले 0 राइट करता हूं, 0 2. Now student, the place value of 2 is 2 tenths. इसका प्लेस वैल्यू अगर आपको बताना हुआ तो आप क्या बोलेंगे? अभी मैंने आपको बताया 2 tenths. Why? Because it comes to the tenths place. So the place value of 2 is 0.2 is 2 tenths. इसका प्लेस वैल्यू क्या होगा? 2 tenths होगा. But here you are saying here student, the place number is same, fractional part is same, 0.2 0.2. But here if we increase the zero after the fractional part, then the value is not changed. This is 2 tenths also. देखिए आप दोनों का वैल्यू क्या है? 2 tenths है. But here the value is 2 tenths. But here you are seeing here, this is the 2 has comes in the hundredths place. 2 कहां आ गया? hundredths place पर आ गया. It means place value is changed. So the place value of this 2 is 2 upon hundredths. The place value is 2 hundredths. Why? Because 2 has comes to the hundredths place. So student, it means you can say that if we write the zero after the fractional part, the value will not be changed. As many zero, जितना मर्जी आपका उतना लगाओ जीरो. आफ्टर द फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट के बाद, इट मीन्स इन द राइट साइड, इट मीन्स इन द लास्ट, आप कितने भी जीरो इंक्रीज करिए, द वैल्यू विल नॉट बी चेंज. बट इफ वी राइट द जीरो लेफ्ट साइड फ्रॉम द फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट के लेफ्ट साइड में, it means left side between the 10th place and decimal point. This is the meaning. Between the decimal point and 10th place, if we write the zero, the value will be changed. Value change होता है. So student, I hope that your concept is clear about the zero. When we increase after the fractional part, before the fractional part, after the whole number part, before the decimal, before the whole number part, whole number. So student, now next topic is how can we read a decimal number and how can we write decimal number in word. Many students can't read and can't write the decimal number. So, student, if I'm taking here a number that is the 207.386, suppose that this is a number and I am saying you read it. मैं आपसे कहूं this is the decimal number and I am saying you read this number. So many students read this number like this 207.386. That is the wrong. This is wrong method of reading the decimal number. Decimal number पढ़ने का ये wrong method है. Yes, you know very well how to read the whole number part. Whole number part को पढ़ना आप जानते हैं. Because from KG class, you are reading the whole number part. But here we are trying to tell you how to read the fractional part. Fractional part को हम कैसे read करेंगे ये चीज मैं बताना चाह रहा हूं आपको. So student, whole number part you know how to read. This is the ones place, this is the tens place and this is the hundred place. 7 is comes in ones place, 0 is comes in tens place and 2 is comes in 100 place. So we can read this number, this whole number part 207, very easy, you know very well. But when we read fractional part together, that is the wrong. That was the wrong. यही wrong था. 386 is wrong. Student, learn in your mind fractional part or decimal number part. Decimal part we read one by one digit. Always, हमेशा हम एक एक डिजिट करके पढ़ते हैं. 1 It means 207 you will read, then 386 like this, not 386. It is wrong. ये wrong है. इस तरीके से नहीं पढ़ा जाता. Always we study the decimal part by one digit. एक एक डिजिट करके हम पढ़ते हैं. And student, if you need to write the number name of this number, of this decimal number, then how can we write the number name? Student, as we are reading as same, we write the number name. जैसे हम पढ़ते हैं उसी तरीके से हम राइट भी करते हैं. Whatever you are saying, write in your notebook. You are saying 207, so write the 207 student in word. 207. Very easy. You are reading, you are saying that this is the 207, sir. So write the 207 in word. There is no problem. You can write very well. 207. Now you are saying point. So write the point in word. Point. Point. Now you are saying 386. No, because this is the fractional part, this is the decimal part. So student, you will read the decimal part one by one digit. I have told you. So you are saying 386. So write the 386 and you know the spelling of 386 very well. So write the here 3, 8 and 6. And 6. That is the number name of this number, student. This is the number name of this number. And if you need to find out the place value of all digit, which has come in this number. So you can tell easily. The place value of 7 is 7 because it comes in the ones place. 0, the place value of 0 is 0. And place value of 2 is 200. And 3 tenths, 8 hundredths, and 6 tenths. So, student, I hope you have understood about the decimal number, decimal fraction, and how can we read the decimal number, how can we write in word the decimal number, and what will we change in value of the decimal number when we write we write the 0 after the decimal part and before the decimal part and after the whole number part and before the whole number part. So all these topics I hope you have understood very well. So thank you, student. In my next video I will tell you the number line, how can we represent the decimal number on the number line, and how can we compare two decimal number together. So thank you, student. Thank you very much.